In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings in Slack. We'll walk through how to use your calendar app inside Slack so you can set up meetings without ever leaving your workspace. This is really helpful if your team spends most of their time in Slack and you want everything to stay in one place. First, let's find the calendar app in Slack. Look over to the left side of your Slack window where you see your channels and direct messages. In that same sidebar, you should see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't see Apps right away, it might be grouped under something like More or Tools, depending on how your Slack workspace is set up. Open that section, and you'll see the list of apps that are available to you. Next, you'll want to open the Home tab for your calendar. Most teams use either Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar, and both of these can be added as apps inside Slack. Find the calendar app your team uses and click on it. That will open a dashboard view right inside Slack, usually in the main panel. This Home tab is where you can see upcoming events and, most importantly, create new ones. Now, let's create a meeting. Inside the calendar app's Home tab, look for a button that says Create Event. Click that. This opens a form where you'll fill out all the details of your meeting, similar to what you'd normally see in your calendar outside of Slack. From here, start by adding your attendees. You can search for people in your Slack workspace just by typing their names. Select the coworkers you want to invite, and they'll be added as guests to the event. To pick a time that works for everyone, use the Available Times dropdown. This is where the integration really helps. It will show you preloaded time slots where all of your selected guests are free based on their calendars. Scroll through those options and pick the slot that works best for your meeting. Finally, decide how you want to share the invitation in Slack. You'll see a checkbox that says, Share this meeting with. Turn that on, then choose a channel or a direct message conversation. This will post a meeting invite card there, so everyone can see the details, respond, and join the meeting directly from Slack.